is Agent Arroyo, and my passion is being a mechanic. I surrendered to my passion when I was a sophomore in high school. Being a mechanic is not easy. It requires a lot of work, practice, and understanding what you have done and are doing. My guide are my dad and my boss. They were fundamental to my success of being a mechanic and understanding what I did, and what I'm doing right now. I visualized the outcome by understanding what I did and if what I did or did not work. I play the edge by working on cars and learning from my mistakes and from them.